Hey guys, we are live here at the CES 2013 event and this is a Toshiba stall. And in this video we'll be talking about this brilliant looking Satellite U925T convertible tablet cum laptop. So to start with, the highlight or part of this tablet is that this is a convertible tablet as well as a laptop. As you can see that all you need to do is just to drag this tablet and this can be converted into a full-fledged laptop. So to start with, let's check out what are the specifications this has got. Let's go to the specifications directly. So as you can see here that Satellite U925T has got the third generation of Intel Core i5 processor, which is clocked up to 1.7 GHz with a RAM of 4 GB. It comes with the 64-bit Windows 8 RT OS and not the Windows 8 Pro OS. Along with that, this has got the 5 touch points. This is a full touch screen of 12.5 inch. This has got a glass of in-plane switching touchscreen that is also popularly known as IPS touchscreen, which is also apparently the fingerprint resistant touchscreen, which is quoted by Toshiba itself. So now let's head back to what are the applications this has got and what are the things this laptop has or convertible tablet has got. Now there are many convertible tablets available in the market which is powered by Lenovo and Dell. But the best part of this tablet is this one not only just comes with the latest third generation of core processor, but also it's very light and very thin comparatively those tablets, as the weight of this tablet convertible is just 3.2 lbs. And also this is there for the battery life of 8 hours, which is pretty much good, and also it's pretty much well compared to these tablets. So now let's check out the exterior part. As you can see that the bezel is of the tapered unit, the tapered material. In the top there's a speaker point which is available. Along with that, this has got a HDMI port and a USB slot. Coming to the right, this has got a 3.5mm audio headset jack. Let's come at the bottom. At the bottom you have got a battery indicator and this is the switch power on a power off indicator along with the Wi-Fi indicator. Let's head to the left. Left portion consists of the power on, power off button along with the volume rocker keys, and also you can actually lock the device with the help of this button, so that you need not turn on the laptop just in case if you want to lock the tablet. Along with that, this also got the one more USB slot. This is the one, so that you can plug your data card, something like that. Let's head to the back. This portion is the speaker unit, and also apparently this one is a portion wherein the hot air of the processor comes out. These two are the speaker ports. Along with this a long bezel unit which is being given for better gripping, and this whole portion is pretty much good, pretty much rubberized, finished, and it's well finished. Though the pricing of this tablet has not yet launched, but it will be announced pretty much soon. That's it from us guys. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.